right, guys, it's Hunter with truckparkingclub.com, and we just put a new property on the platform. This is in a secure, gated area. Do not be afraid to park here because it is gated. It is also a part of a scrapyard on one side, truck parking on the other. If you got scrap also, don't be afraid to unload it yourself and then return to the scale. And don't be afraid to go to truckparkingclub.com and book your space here today. It's a great location between Nashville and what's the other town here on that?
Nashville, Chattanooga.
Chattanooga. There you go, guys. Between Nashville and Chattanooga, you guys hit us up. Oh man, I've been going too long and too hard looking for truck parking spaces for you guys out there. You got me all tongue-tied and twisted. You can laugh, make comments if you want to. Just don't be afraid, guys. Bring your scrap here, park your truck here, truckparkingclub.com.